My name's Chris Hysinger. I'm the owner of Takahashi America, which is the distributor for Takahashi telescopes in North and South America.
My name is Ryuichi Hashimoto, is Takahashi Japan. I'm in charge of the managing director in the international sales. In Takahashi opinion, is very important to the USA market. And I'm exported to the in the US. And, we're proud of good quality and high-end mania for the telescope and the refractor. And so this in the NIF we are releasing to the new product is a Starbase 80 for beginners. My company important to the whole expanding to the astronomy market. So before we have the mainly to the mania for the telescope, but for the we have the beginners telescopes have the so expanding, so the beginner for the growing up the telescope market. For Takahashi is very proud of this issue.
So Takahashi was actually introduced to the American market 40 plus years ago by a company called Swift, which imported Takahashi-made telescopes under their name. The company that owns Takahashi America had a strong relationship with Swift, and when Swift decided that they no longer wanted to sell telescopes, Takahashi America started to, or the predecessor to Takahashi America, started to import the Takahashi scopes directly into the United States. I believe that was sometime in the 70s. Takahashi's been producing astronomical telescopes since the early 1960s. I think that Takahashi has a long history of excellence in manufacture, and the Japanese in general have a very strong culture of quality control and precise engineering. And just over the decades, they have refined the telescope designs to be best in class among the competitors. The telescopes themselves are finely engineered and refined, and Takahashi has a commitment to a premium product, so that they are meant for the serious amateur astronomer and some professional astronomers.
And we have the casting part of the factory, very unique production company. So almost the telescope mount is a machining part, but we have proud of casting part in the factory. And in the future, we are proud of continue to the product to the casting. And all telescope is handmade in Japan. And craftsmanship have our factory staff, and I'm direct selling to overseas and direct selling to domestic, and so one by one the telescope is so very proud is a good quality control to the telescope.
Takahashi is continually innovating and looking toward the future, and there are several designs in process to supersede existing telescopes and to introduce new models into the market. An example of that is the FOA 60, which was released last year. It's a fluoride doublet, but it's a wide airspace doublet that shares some features in common with the TOA series. So it's capable of really high strels and extreme magnification, and is ideal for planetary work. So there's constant innovation ongoing, and I think that in the future, the future is you'll see continued innovation in the future.
And recently, the CCD camera manufacturer is more to the very improvement camera and very low prices. So almost the customer using to the CCD camera. So Takahashi thinking in the future telescope is best attaches the digital camera CCD is proceeding to the new equipment. And so of course now our current FSQ 16ED is very adjustment to the camera, but in every time improvement in new equipment, new telescope. If you customer have the idea, please you send to for us your idea. I'm so thinking about the improvement telescope and mount.
The ability to image with telescopes and to make that more accessible to the general public, both from a price perspective and a technologically understanding perspective, is important because you know, the imaging in the past has been the domain of the very technically literate, and you know, the more that we as an industry can make that more plug and play, so that people with a smartphone can easily take images with a telescope, an inexpensive telescope, the more attraction it will have for people who grew up in a smartphone generation.
So in this Japanese astronomy market, the same problem in the youngest generation. The youngest generation not spend on the equipment, all of them, not especially the telescope, astronomy. So we're thinking about so expanding to the astronomy market for the domestic and overseas, and we usually using to the telescope and the equipment, and usually using to the smartphone, the controlling to the system, and more so in very in the astronomy and space universe is very interesting. Some issues. So information. I have to information to all of us. It's a responsibility, I think.
Growing up, I was always interested in science technology. You know, it's every kid's dream, it seems, or at least it was, to be an astronaut one day, and I shared that dream. I ended up studying engineering and was an engineer for a while, and astronomy is a very technical hobby, so it tends to attract people who like technical things, and engineers usually fit that bill. So I was an amateur astronomy, not nearly as serious as some of my current customers, but over the course of my career, I tend to stay technically focused, and at some point I decided that I wanted to do more than just be an amateur astronomer, but actually own a business that serves the astronomy community, and that's how I got where I am today. I think my piece of advice, and this is what I tell people when they come if they come into our shop and ask about what they want to do and how they should get started, particularly when it comes to astrophotography, is start simple. Start with a short focal length refractor. Start with a simple camera setup. Don't worry about guiding. Don't worry about any sort of the complications that can come with astrophotography, because I think you get a solid foundation of the basics, and then you can build upon that. If you go in too deep and get too technical too fast, you might get in over your head and decide that this hobby is just too much.
In Japan, there are star party in some of the destination. Takahashi Japan is an exhibition to the using telescope, so the observing star is the coming to people. So we thinking so the ordinary people getting chance to the observing and getting chance to take a picture for the star is so many people interested in the universe and space. Please, you ordinary people coming to the interesting astronomy equipment, and join to us, please.